Today, this English conversations is about OOP in Java. Okay, I think it's important is subject for Java development. Okay, and uh, it's opportunities to improve your English and to learn more about this subject. Okay, let's start. The part one. Let me see. Can you read, please, Aaron?
Yes, I will start. Part 1 OOP in Java. Think of it as a turning your code into a real world object. Smart, organized, and reusable. Ready to crack the code?
Okay, wait a minute,
I'm
please.
waiting. I'm waiting.
Okay, and you can talk about your opinion about OEP in Java.
For me, the idea is to building the data and methods that operate on that data into a single unit, in this case, a class, about restricting direct access to some of objects components, which is a means of preventing accidental interference and misuse, something like that.
Okay, read to crack the code.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm, have something below. Scary for me.
and the first question is what is OPP a big deal? Can you answer these questions, please, João?
Well, before reading what the slide says, I'd say the big deal for OOP makes it easier to transpose like ideas from the real life into code, like some ideas of inheritance, encapsulation, as Aaron said, like using private stuff. So I'd say this is why it's a big deal. It makes easier to write scalable code. So now just reading the slides. Well, as I said, it makes your code easy to manage. Reuse like a pro, fix bugs faster, build like a modular machine. And an OP stands for or equals to coding with real world power. I just cannot agree at all with the fix bugs faster because sometimes during development we like to how can I say it? Um, Enforcing abstractions in places we do not need at all, just for the sake of using OOP. But it's a coin with two sides. So, anywho,
Okay, and anyone can explain about these questions, please? Okay, I'm thinking it's in my opinion it's a big deal to work uh, with the OPP in Java. I think it's it's more organized. It's your code and it's a it's a difference. It's difference to work with these important um, implementations for Java programming. Okay, Good evening, Kanyan. Good evening, Eito. Okay. Uh, the next questions is, and it's not a questions. Java OPP is equal for superpowers. Okay. Let me see. Um, can you read, please, Eito or Kanyan? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you read, please?
Uh, I try.
Okay, no problem.
uh, Encapsulation, secure your data, inheritance, use with ease, polymorphism, behave differently, abstraction, focus on what matters. You meet each of them in the next real.
Okay. The next topic is quick Java example. This chain code is equal real object, real behavior. Okay. Anyone can explain about this code, please, in English? Good evening, Jefferson.
I vote for Jefferson to answer this question.
Okay. Sebastian, can you hear me? Can you explain about this code, arrows? Aaron, sorry. Can you hear me, Aaron?
I can hear you. I just don't know how can I explain about it in English.
Okay, no problem.
I vote for someone who can explain more.
No problem.
Okay, I can go. Well, it's just a simple class called car with a property, or better said, field called model, is to represent like, hey, what's the model of this vehicle, and the object instantiation at the static void main method from Java. We have which says a car, no, a car C equals a new car, sets the value as a Tesla, and there's the method void which does not return anything, just prints the console, and the Tesla is driving. There's just a violation in OP there because it's not using encapsulation, but like the getters and setters, but for a simple code, it's not that problem
Okay.
at all.
Okay. What's your favorite car, John?
Man, I'd say the Camaro SS. I have crush on this car since the first Transformers movie.
Okay.
It's a pretty good option.
Okay.
Yeah, it is sad because
Same
it's
question
really
for everyone. What's your favorite car? Anyone?
Mine is the Porsche 718, the Cayman. It's my childhood dream.
It's a simple questions, okay? I think everyone can answer these questions.
I don't have any. I don't like too much cars. I had a motorbike.
Do you prefer motorcycle?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But just because I'm very bad driving, I had more
Can you drive?
control.
No worries, there's a lot of bad drivers out there.
Okay. Do you prefer motorcycle than car?
Exactly.
Okay. The next topic is OPP is equal build smart, build big. Okay. I think I don't know your name, but it's NSL. What's your name?
My name is Nathan or Nathan,
Okay,
whichever way you prefer.
okay. Good evening, Nathan. Can you raise, please?
Yes, sir. OOP, it's build smart, build big. So these three topics are cleaner code, easy to scale, and developer friendly.
Okay, go ahead.
Uh, yeah, this section says comment OOP if you're excited for part two about encapsulation, and it says to save this post for later and share it with your Java buddies.
Yes, but have more informations about OPP. Okay, the part one encapsulations in Java. The power of data hiding. Okay, can you read, please, Kanya?
Yes. Encapsulation in Java, the power of data hiding. Swipe to unlock clean, secure, and real-world Java code.
Okay, what's your opinion about the encapsulation in Java?
Let me see.
Do you use the encapsulation in Java?
Actually, I work with C Sharp,
Ah,
but I saw this channel and I like because I need to improve my English.
okay. Good evening, DJ. Long time no see you.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Let's continue. Uh, and this questions is what is encapsulations? Encapsulations is equal data hiding. Can you read, please, DJ?
Okay. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation equals data hiding. It's a technique where you hide internal details of a class. You expose only what's needed, just like you don't show the whole kitchen, only serve the final dish.
Okay. Can you explain about encapsulation?
Encapsulation have aspect of security too, right?
Makes
Yeah,
sense.
because we do not expose data for outside world. Let's say like there's the private, protected. I always get confused with those two words. When shall we use just the when shall we use protected? Better saying. I know that private is only in the same class level, but protected I always get confused. Anyone can explain it so we can share knowledge.
Okay. Good evening, Tuani. Good evening, Evandro.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Anyone can explain more about the encapsulation in Java?
For me, it's literally like a capsule. The outside world interacts with a clean interface, while the internal workings are written, like in this section.
I don't know who asked about private and protected, but private it limits the program to search the information only inside the class, and protected is for this the class inside the class, the inherited classes, and uh, other classes that are inside the same package. So it only blocks for the other packages to access it.
So let me see if I got it for the protected about the packages. Let's say we have a protected method uh, in package A, and there is another class in package A. I can use this method as well. That's it. But if I have another package called package C with classes D and B, I cannot instantiate this method because it's not in the same package. Only if I do like inheritance.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, now makes sense. Thanks, mate.
No
Okay.
problem, man.
Okay. The next questions is why it's a game changer. Let me see. Uh, can you read, please, 20?
Yes. Why it's a game changer? Keeps data safe from unexpected changes, makes code easy to maintain and debug, adds a layer of control and validation.
Continue, please.
Think of, think of it like a secure ATM. You can withdraw money, but you can't access the system behind it.
Do you think Java is secure?
Yes, because we can use encapsulation, like the examples you all gave above, and even for attributes, I don't know if that's the word in English, attributes of a class, so we can make them accessible only at this class, and access them through get and set methods.
Okay. The next questions is how to use it in Java. Let me see. Can you hear me, Evandro? Okay. Can you read, please, Aaron?
Yes. How to use it in Java? Private equal ride get set controlled access, validation equal to protection.
Okay. Can you explain about this code or not?
So we have a public class, and inside um, the private method, and I don't know exactly how can I explain this in English, but because I learned this in Portuguese.
Okay, no problem. And the other people can explain about this code, please.
Can you just scroll down a bit, oh Renat? I think there's more code below
Okay,
after the get age.
wait a minute,
So
please. And